Oh, rookie mistake. Okay, so I've come on here to vent. I spent the entire evening last night until 2 a.m. editing Uno, and I'll tell you, it looks sick. But this morning I decided to try and organize myself, just to go onto my external hard drive and put all of the video files into Uno, organize Guillotine, organize Solitaire. Lo and behold, I go back on CapCut. That made me cry. I go back on CapCut and the files are missing, meaning the source file that I used to feed into CapCut was missing. Yeah. And I spent the entire evening just linking the audio, first of all getting the audio to work, and then linking the audio with the video tracks and pushing the speed, slowing down the speed. It was a long fucking journey. And I was so happy this morning. You should ask Stacey how I felt. I was like, wow, this is coming together. This is looking professional. I haven't seen my work be this professional until now. It's looking sick. Yeah, so I took my time doing that. And this morning I was about to export the file. Everything was put together. It was under 2 minutes, looking beautiful. I just needed to re-record one little audio. One little audio. Biggest mistake of my life. Essentially, now all the audio is missing and I don't know what to do. I've gone and turned on the air fryer so I can eat junk food and feel better about myself, but I don't know if I will feel better.
Splash!
Guess what? Now the HDMI will not work. Oh, inactive. What is this day? What is this damn day? HP, come on. Flash, flash, flash. Work, work, work. Wires in. Okay, I'm just gonna press all the buttons. Is it time to give up? Is it time to give up on life? Ah! Brightness, color, input, select. Nope, that's deleted. Exit, menu. Power. Okay. Fuck this. I did it. All I had to do was shut down CapCut, reopen the project, and it asked me the little link media button. I sat here for 30 minutes. I sat here for 30 whole minutes just contemplating my life. Should I be a content creator? Should I try anything really? Should I just sit down in a hole today and give up? But I did not give up. And this is my lesson to you guys today, is do not give up on life. Because that was a whirlwind of a feeling. I haven't even tried playing it to see if it actually works. Let's see. Oh baby, yes it does. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna save this right away. This is my lesson in life. Do not give up. If you feel like all the cards are against you, don't give up. Try and find a solution that works.